Welcome to Study with Bhadra.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with Bhadra. Today we are starting chapter 1 of class 8 Science. Chapter name Exploring the Investigative World of Science. This chapter is all about thinking like a scientist by asking questions, observing the world around us and experimenting. Let me ask you something. Why is one side of the puri thinner than the other? Are there more stars in the sky or grains in the sand on earth? These are not exam questions. These are questions of curiosity. Science always begins with wonder. When you ask why or how, you're thinking like a scientist. In class 6 and 7, you've observed things. Now in class 8, you learn how to investigate them. Let's take the example of a puri. Have you noticed how it puffs up in hot oil? So, what can we change in this experiment? We can change the thickness of the dough, the type of flour, the oil temperature, the way we drop it into the oil. Now we can observe. Does it puff up? Yes or no? How long does it take? Is one side always thinner? This is called systematic investigation. Change one thing at a time. Observe carefully and write down your result. This is exactly how scientists work. This year, you will go on a science journey from tiny microbes to giant ecosystems. Here's a quick preview. Microorganisms, some helpful, some harmful. Electric circuits, heating and magnetic effects, forces and pressure, why things move or stop, cyclones and weather, light and lenses, how we see clearly, moon phases, how calendars were made, ecosystem, how all life is connected, climate change, what's happening to Earth. Isn't that exciting? In your textbook, you'll notice two symbols. A root, it stands for strong, grounded knowledge. A kite, it shows your ideas, soaring high with imagination. Science needs both solid observation and free thinking. Now it's your turn. Try this. Make a small puri at home. Change one thing, maybe the thickness. Observe what happens. Write down your findings. Or you can try watching how light reflects on a spoon. Science is everything. So remember, this chapter is not about memorizing facts. It's about asking questions, doing simple experiments, and thinking deeply. Comment below what's one question you want to investigate. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study with Bhadra for more fun science lessons. Let's explore this world with curiosity as our guide. So friends, in this chapter, you have learned how to think like a scientist, ask questions, try experiments, and be curious. Here's a question for you. What's one thing you want to investigate? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Follow for more Class 8 Science videos. Download the free worksheet in the description. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next video.